I am only a dwarf sitting on the shoulders of giants. Fellow Toastmasters, beloved guests, I started my Toastmasters journey like every single person in this room, visiting a club as a guest. Eventually, I joined this club 5 years ago, Speak at Paris, and followed in the footsteps of giants. Tonight, I stand before you, almost at the pinnacle of my learning journey. As you heard from Elena, the Distinguished Toastmaster project is the highest education award that you can achieve in our community, as Venice has already demonstrated. And to achieve the Distinguished Toastmaster recognition, you must achieve a project that benefits a community. In a way, this is the ultimate taste of every single skill that you practiced learning public speaking and communication. In 9 days, on the 29th of November, Toastmasters International will organize a public speaking open house to emphasize to people new to Toastmasters the benefits of joining Toastmasters. I lead the organization of the event, and this was the opportunity for me to review the 3 most helpful skills that I learned in the past 5 years. Scout, step, and support. I would like to compare a project management to a long hike up a mountain. Although it is tempting to rush first into the obstacles, it might be wiser to scout the whole route ahead of time. See potential obstacles and define the course as a whole, the big picture. Likewise, scouts may also involve scouting talent, the people that will join you along your journey. After 5 years, people sometimes ask me, what is my motivation? What keeps me going in this community after having learned so much about public speaking? And what keeps me motivated is enabling new people and scouting talent. In a way, scouting is a communication tool that emphasizes more listening than speaking. This is quite precious to leverage when you're trying to motivate people in your team. For example, I noticed at a previous meeting in Speak at Paris that Lucy was Toastmaster of the evening, and I was amazed at the way she followed up each speaker's comments with comments of her own to make the event lively with humor and so on and so forth. I shared this comment with Lucy and I offered her to present a speech at the open house. And you will hear her if you come on the 29th. Teamwork. Now you have scouted a team, assembled it towards a common goal. The time has come to move towards that goal. A question for you. Can you climb Mount Everest in one move?
Nope.
No. Likewise, a project management is best managed step by step. Dare I say even baby steps. You can divide those tasks within your team and delegate. And also, delegating and dividing tasks is best to manage a project, but also to measure your progress. Recruit a team, Done. Define an agenda? Done. Create a sign-up link? Done. Scout the venue? Done. Every single check that is necessary to complete the project was divided in a way that is measurable, so you can really appreciate and motivate your team towards that common goal. Nevertheless, no matter how well you scout and step by step towards your project, sometimes circumstances are beyond our control and you face challenges. That brings us to the third skill that I learned at Toastmasters: support. During the course of project management, one of my team members fell ill. And the way I found to support her is to find time, dedicate a portion of my entire calendar just to talk with her and ask her how is she doing and tell her that she is a valuable member of our team. Also, during the course of the project, another member resigned from the team. At this point, my resources were overstretched. And that's where I realized that I myself needed support. Thankfully, I was able and conscious enough to ask for support. And it's a pleasure to say that the district club growth director is helping me towards this final stretch of the project. In a few seconds, I shall stop talking. The floor will be yours. And in a way, it means that this whole speech, this whole project, is not about me. It is about you and what you can achieve within Toastmasters and beyond. You are surrounded by giants. And the beauty of Toastmasters is that you are not alone. You can remember those 3 giant skills that helped me along the way. Scout, to assemble a team towards a common goal. Step, to manage and measure your progress. And support, your team and yourself. You are not alone at Toastmasters. And sitting on the shoulders of giants, you will stand tall. Thank you.